Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol PLUG. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, another rough day on this one, although it wasn't as bad as previous days, but it's still putting in lower lows here. So what I'm going to do is want to try to keep this as clean as possible. So I'm going to go ahead and get rid of that line right there from previous videos. Sure, that level pertains, but like I said, in the spirit of just trying to keep this as clean as possible and not have lines everywhere you look, let's try to keep, at the least amount of lines as possible. But the first adjustment I'm going to do here is just actually adjust this area of resistance down, which in and of itself is bearish. Whenever levels of resistance need to be adjusted downwards, that implies that the price is not going in the right direction, assuming, of course, you're long. Now, if you're short, then yeah, you're loving this action. But so one of the newest areas of resistance now, in my mind, are right up there at that 58.25-ish area, and that it was a former area of support right here. And then just, basic technical analysis states when levels of support are broken and close below, they tend to act as resistance. So if the price does try to consolidate out and then work its way back upwards, the new question mark and kind of big question is, okay, yeah, it's gotten up to that 58.25 mark, but is there actually enough strength for the price to be able to break above it and stay up above it? So you want to keep a very close eye on that. Like I said, if there is any sort of attempted movement. And then if the price can push up through that area of resistance, the next immediate level you'd want to turn your attention to is that purple line there, the 50-period moving average, currently valued at the $61 mark. But also don't want to get too far ahead of yourself. Let's just first see if the price can even get above that initial area of resistance at that red line. Now, as far as levels of support are concerned, next level to watch very closely is going to be an area that I talked about previously, but that's this green line right here, which comes into play right around the $54 mark. And given that the price is within striking distance of that, I do want to get one more area mapped out just in case the price actually breaks down through there. So after 54, the next key level, not until really down around that $51 mark. But yeah, as of right now, bit of a pullback here. And it's just a question of, whenever the buyers and bulls going to step back in. So we'll see how this one continues to play out. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.